Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Laguerre RSI. Before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 256 indicators. And out of those 256 indicators, 100 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 100 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, as I said, today we will be testing the Laguerre RSI. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Okay, Laguerre RSI. You can see here on the bottom of the screen, basically the setup is very similar to the RSI. We're just using the Laguerre to calculate the oscillating blue line. And so just like the RSI, the standard RSI, we have a overbought and an oversold area. And what we are looking for is for the oscillating line to break up above, either in the overbought area or break down below into the oversold area. Once that happens, we are waiting for the blue oscillating line to then cross back in the opposite direction, cross in the overbought direction. We would be, or the overbought position, we would be looking for the blue oscillating line to cross down over or across the 80 line. And then on the downside, of course, when it is in the oversold position, we would be looking for the line to cross back up above the 20. And so that's the basic setup that we're looking for there. Not a whole lot to it. I mean, it's basically what we have done with the RSI and similar indicators like it. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get on with the testing process, see what we can get out of it. All right, so we get the first cross happens right here. That is a cross to the upside. And it looks like we may have gotten stopped out pretty quick. Actually, let me double check. We are actually on the year. Yep, we are. We are in January. Let's see. So we get this pullback right here. And yes, that one does actually stop us out. Let's see. Yeah, so it happens on this big red candle right here. We get stopped out. And so then we see that the Laguerre, or the oscillating blue line, it then makes its way down back under into the oversold position. And then it breaks up one more time right there on that candle. The close of that candle has officially come back across the 20. And it's funny because actually on the RSI, the standard RSI, if I remember right, the overbought is 70 and the oversold is 30. And so the designation of these two lines, the overbought and oversold, slightly changed. But nonetheless, back onto the testing here. And looks like in this case we got to take profit on that one. So not too bad. Decent little take profit. Then we get a cross over here on this side right there, and that one also gets us to take profit. So what I notice about this particular indicator in this case is the RSI, the standard RSI, can get a little jerky. It tends to spike up and come back down really quick and often. This one, since it's based off the Laguerre, it tends to kind of hang out in the overbought or oversold position for quite a while, waiting for a decent reversal to actually take place. So that is definitely something that could give it an advantage. Not sure how well it's going to work out. We will see. So we get across there to the upside, and we get 90 pips, barely 90 pips. Actually, 60 pips is what we're looking for. So yeah, that one definitely got there. 90 pips is the stop. So continue on here. We get a cross above right there on that one, and let's double check that, but I'm pretty sure we did not get to take profit. Nope, it was close. Not quite there though. Okay, let's continue on with it here. Looks like it may have crossed. Nope, it did not. Got really close right there on that one, but it didn't actually make the cross. Then we get a cross right there. That one did get us to take profit. Over here on this side, we get a cross right there. Right? Yep. Cross right there to the upside. That one, unfortunately, did not get us to take profit. That one did actually. Let's double check that just to be sure, but I'm fairly confident. Yep, it did. And let's see, it breaks back down and then back up right there on that one. Continue forward. That one got us to take profit, so nice. Then break to the downside right there. Don't think that one made it to take profit. Nope, it did not. Pulled back really sharp as soon as it gave the signal, and so unfortunately it would have stopped us out in that case. And we get across there. Also did not quite make it to take profit on that one. Actually, let's back up and make sure we didn't get the cross a little earlier. We did not. Okay. Didn't think so, but just wanted to be sure. Play this forward. We get across to the downside there. Let's see. Not quite to take profit either. Can't quite count it out yet, but we will see. Cross to the downside there. And again, not quite to take profit. Really close in a lot of those instances, and that does put us at the end of the year. All right, so let's add this up and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 12 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winning trades. And so unfortunately that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It's a shame. It seemed like it was going to do rather well, just kind of eyeballing it and not really running through the test. But that is why it is important to test these indicators. Make sure that they actually do well before trying to implement them in any kind of a strategy or system. And so don't just eyeball it. Make sure you're putting these things to the test. So yep, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.